Okay, so protocols and data packets. This is quite short. So what is a protocol? A protocol are the rules that define how devices communicate over a network. They usually come in stacks, so we have the TCP/IP stack and the other one, but those are in other presentations. Next slide, please. So here are some of the major protocols that are used today. So we have the TCP protocol, which is in the TCP/IP stack. Its purpose is to break up data into packets, which are then sent over the network, and I will explain in the following slide what a data packet is. Then the Internet Protocol is the protocol that defines how information is sent over a network. So, and this includes the handshake and also the paths and all that stuff. This is also part of the TCP/IP stack. UDP is another protocol that does the same as TCP, but it is much lower latency. But it's less reliable. So it's often used in gaming because if a couple packets are dropped, which means they don't arrive, then it's not that big a deal. But with TCP, it's used in contexts where that is important, where you can't. It's better if you don't drop any packets. And then we have HTTP, which most of you probably heard of. It's the web protocol. Next slide, please. Okay, so now we come to a data packet. So a data packet is a small piece of data that can be transferred over a network. So a data packet is made up of a few different things. So the main part is the payload, which is the data that is being sent in that data packet. Then we also have the destination address, the source address, and the header checksum. So destination and source addresses are simple. They say where the data is coming from and going to. But the header checksum is quite interesting. That's used for doing parity checks to ensure that the data is what it should be, and there hasn't been any manipulation during the process of the transfer. Yeah, that's it.